Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to show links on the Notewise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Click to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the home screen, and in the notes section you can find the link option under the toolbox. Click to the next arrow icon, and here actually I use the show link overlay option. And if you want to turn off, just click the next white circle, and if it will be turn gray, this function will be disabled, and if it will be turn blue, is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.